Okay, I'm going to do a quick little trade review here from this morning. I'm going to replay mode real quick. Okay, so right here, I considered that. Let me go to the 1 minute first. I considered right here that these highs were going to go and be taken out in the sub 1 minute time frame, and we're going to utilize this fair value gap, which is in the 15-second, to perhaps go down from there or something like that before we sweep this high. So that made me want to look for shorts off of here like this or something with my stop loss at these highs. I take profit at the 8:30 news low right there, just like that. However, before that, I realized, well, while I was looking at the sub 1 minute, I realized that, okay, we're definitely going here. But once we reach here, we could go and sweep these highs out before we go down. This is a 5-second fair value gap over here. Could sweep these highs and then go down, or could even go up to here and then go down. So, see, I want to hold up. I might actually be looking for a trade right now, so. Okay, maybe not. Not yet. So right over in here, I longed off of this fair value gap right here. The suspension block rather. Hoping that right here, along like right up in here, execution. Order only 1 micro, so I was fine with that with my stop loss right here. Because in the 5-second that looks um, pretty clean area to have it. Right here, go down, sweep these lows, use the consequent encroachment between these two lows and this, not this one, this fair value gap right here to go higher. But we just kind of gyrated around. I got stopped right here, and I added 2 positions on it, so I got stopped for 3 micros right here, which is minus 125. And then after I got stopped, I bought again. I bought 2 positions because I figured that um, um, if we just swept the liquidity, this low is protected right here, so we're not going to sweep this low. We're not going to sweep this low because it's a Judas swing on this low, which is already a good low. So this low is protected. That's also why over here I longed before we swept these lows, because we had the Judas swing. Therefore, getting these trailed stops wasn't as necessary. And longed right in here, which I'm going to go to the 5-second for. I got stopped right here, then it went up, and I longed again right here, and then gyrated around a tiny bit. I just exited right here for plus 25 profit. So that was my 2 trades. However, I still allowed myself 1 more trade because I realized something that was very important that I didn't see beforehand, and that was if you go over to regular trading hours, this liquidity still has to be taken into account. So we were opening, and then we were all the way down here. Before this candle occurred, all the way down here, I was thinking, okay, well, this liquidity, this one, or this line, keep track of that. This line, we are right next to it. But the sweep of it doesn't count until we sweep it at 9:30 or beyond, because it's a regular trading hours sweep, and this has already been sweeped like a bunch of times under electronic trading hours. but we still had to sweep it on regular trading hours. So I exited this trade right here for like plus 25 profit, and this right here is that same line over here, same lines. Then I went on to the 1 second, and as soon as we went below here, I longed. So I longed right here, and I did not have time to place a stop loss, but I would have exited had we gone like just to the right there, and my take profit was right up here. 907. Looks like I exited right there. And that put me up 288. And so far my P&L for this month has been this so far. Monday I lost some. Tuesday got most of it back. Wednesday I got most of it back, and my trading rates have been still following that 2 trades a week only rule, where I can't take more than 2 trades, not per week, but sorry, per day. So I've still been doing that. Wait. Okay. So I've still been doing that yesterday, day before. And the reason it says 6 trades, it's actually only 2 trades, because most of my early on trades, it was just like me adding 1 micro to the same trade. Then this would have been the second trade, and this would have been the third. And yeah. So hopefully we can keep it up. I want to see this stuff. I haven't looked at all this other stuff. It's not even accurate though, because like it counts me taking a partial. So say I'm in a position for 3 micros, and then I exit 1 out of those 3 micros. I just take a partial like that. Or like today, I took 1, 2, 3 longs. All 3 longs failed. It counts that as 3 longs losing, which is not right, because that was just 1 trade to me. So all this stuff is skewed and whatnot. Alright, things are looking good over here. Alrighty. I was thinking about looking for longs. I still am. I want to see us go sweep this news low over here. 830 news low, CPI. Go sweep that. We just swept this. We're probably going to go down there now. Or there's a chance. I'm not going to do anything until we do. And then I'll probably just take a 1 micro contract buy somewhere around here. This is the deepest we can go. I don't want to go past this fair value gap right here. This IFEG. Don't want to go past that. If we invert it, I'm gonna have to reevaluate my analysis, because I'm considering that is going to be the low of the week right there. We're not going to go any lower than that. The rest of the week is just going to see some more buy side. And I'd be looking for like a 1 micro contract long somewhere in here. On here, I would take it on a live account, but I'm having issues with AMP. They're not letting me set up an account right now. Or no, they didn't before. So now I gotta contact support, and then They should allow me then. Alright, later.